metia etifo.
Yeah, Joseph.
Em say me the bit kind say I would want to admonish Jean Mensah especially the new entrants, you know. Say ehube here say no maybe we no munti asia. They should be careful the way they come out. Bibi ye me na kakra. Don't boy do kaya no. Perfect. Because say uko table agenda say yen discuss it. Ya ka ho asem. Yen si sudua. But normal yen si sudua no. E wo ho 1 2 3 4 de ebeko ni ebia anka enye say we mu raise the issue about the 275 constituencies no any district no. Na say e ban say ye restrict ye to the district now. Others will be disenfranchised now. Maybe the issue about you be compile register from Gram may not even have come up. It was not an issue that was tabled for discussion. And you know they say we share energy. And now coming back to the statement, you know, any the follow up, especially Bossman, Dr. Bossman, the
Bossman, sorry.
I'm really surprised. Say Obeka say they don't need the consent of the NDC to roll out a new register and nothing visa. Say you should come back. Who are the stakeholders? Can they just get up and do anything? And now what informed, you know, the composition or the formation of the IPAC? If indeed the parties know here, IPAC no. Though it's advisory, no. Again, let's forget about it, because so Professor Oteki said, you know, stance there, and we are in for trouble. We are in for trouble, and you know, I saw some headline do a baby say they must start, you know, consulting some of our past EC, you know, officers. Now, when the electoral system in Ghana a little unique compared to others, no. Yeah, the fact that you were a platform, say IPAC near there, you discussing things. Not necessarily say IPAC will impose its ideas or whatever, but consensus building is very, very important when it comes to issues about election.
But the Dr. Bossman, did he mention NDC in particular? So yeah, said the political parties.
What he said. No, he did. He said NDC, and I think that was unfortunate. And you know. Next time, no, you should mind, you know, you're very mindful the way I'll be back out when it comes to such issues. But, Kwame,
yes, sir.
Maybe apart from Sir Assembly, okay, the discussion of course now. Yes, the essence of district assembly election is to deepen democracy, right? Now, say about the say, yeah, baby, limited registration. The limited registration, you know. Experience no say ye be ya ye in electoral area by electoral area because of reasons or no Jombo do akasa do so hands here say even in my constituency for instance the district office no the district office no will be a friend Nwaso you know Akuse is also part of my constituency. Akuse yes, the last time even voter transfer I had a cause to go to the EC office, though it was a little late. Among for one person, one transfer votes. One Akuse, one baby, a friend, baby, middle belt in the winning now. As I say, open car. Now you go ferry woman free honeymoon. At the back, the baby office no one, and it was a lot of cost. And it, you know, with all that experience, you know, everyone say registration. Say Uja Nipa Baku. What carry out injustice? Because we want everybody to be part of the decision I be taking. More so, district assembly election. And we here pa say Nipa ko ye be choose no that area hono no. Obia amanfo nyina ejide ewoni. Na say ye kwakoye na ye ko establish, you know, a situation where people are going to be disenfranchised in there. Now, kakra, because Untimi we and no cry, but you want to jump the gun. Upeso jump now the wider one no. Ukwakoye no. And the bigger one ukwakoye no. Way small one normally in the end electoral area no. You are saying you don't have enough money or you don't have the logistics or things say a waste. And look at them one say one be waste sika. No. Then we should abandon the whole system. Now you can say what do you call it? Assembly election no cry. It is not an excuse. Whether they have money or not, the issue is about making sure say we enfranchise whoever qualified. So be vote and obey can't decision making, and that is how we should look at it. Otherwise, we'll be making a very big mistake. Now, Mijini said the EC must sit up and say their own way. In fact, I am not too comfortable. Seriously, especially with a little experience recently from the referendum. Up till now, committee inquiry they have not even come out. I thought Mukoye Gambibisa said then what has come out of the problem that he had during the referendum.
It came up. Do you need an answer?
Well, it's if you get opportunity in your hand, because the people must know. We want to know what happened. How come we saw people voting, a number of times? Informs.
Yes,
the all cannot and we are the coin. Facebook, social media for a year. I did hear a referendum say yes or no. Then you who picture with ballot paper tinting will be a baby election. Just social media. And these are concerns that we must be concerned about as a people.
Yes.
But I am very careful. Over here no now BBS or baby they are covered but they will still come out.
Joe, it is not enough for you to tell me this.
You asked me whether
what I'm saying is that I've been referring. The can say and no crown puno munyama out, even if it is fake, right? So the effect, yes, baby, you go any mess you are no one. The information has gone out, and it's a call. That's up till now. You're here. Papa.
Maybe some baby tell I'll be very quick one. It seems say parties no more abemwa as the money is here dream. Money abemwa money is I want to talk.
Please.
Now and NDC and both parties.
Let me tell you something. The NDC has always been very consistent when it comes to this electoral processes, voter registration or whether to have a new register or not. Because the last election, the NDC said that we had the most credible, electoral, roll or now register, and therefore there was no need. If we are having concerns about new register now, it is not. It is not out of place. It is not that we are in opposition, therefore we are changing a stance. No, we have not. We have not. And the air can say, and then if they are saying they don't have enough money, right?
Yeah.
And because of that, they are going to restrict registration and voter transfer, registration of potential voters, those who are going to take decision at the local level. You want to, use a mechanism that might end up disenfranchising a lot of people, and you don't think that you need to invest into that and look at that one carefully, and who jump to 2020. Nobody knows what is going to happen. 2020. Anything what we are saying is let's solve the problems that let's look at that and make sure whatever it takes to make sure everybody comes on board. Let's do that, because that's the essence of democracy.
Great. Obviously, I'm not sure Tel Aviv listened to Dr. Bossman Asai very well. Dr. Asai did not single out the NDC. He said the EC does not need the consent of the political parties to undertake a registration exercise.
That is even more insulting. That is even more out of place.
Now, Elvis, maybe 1 minute. Yeah, finish. He should.
That is even more dangerous. That is even more dangerous.
He should be a bit more temperate in his language.
No, not necessarily that. But what I'm saying is that it means that or short for big kakra. As I say, all study electoral system, how it has evolved. No, Mr. those who have had opportunity to preside over elections in Ghana. Now, what informed, we put having that platform called IPAC. And no, the genesis of it, the okay, on Kebium. He will come because you see what the
we are doing a lot of service to this gentleman.
Yeah.
But he didn't
please.
One Kasa out of vacuum. Elvis was on the other side.
Yes.
Do you want to hear what Elvis said?
No, please. It doesn't.
Do you want to hear
please,
what Elvis said?
Oh.
John.
Whatever John said. Whatever.
We are.
You are
not interested in what Elvis said.
No.
That one said whatever he said.
No, you see, whatever.
You heard that one.
Please, whatever.
And can't you bring that
yes,
into the discussion and have an objective discussion?
Whatever Elvis said, no. Whatever Elvis said, the answer no provided, was inappropriate.
Whatever, no.
No, I don't even want us to go into that. But what I'm saying is, for him to say, a bossman is trying to say, IPAC is irrelevant.
Whatever.
And not necessary. Yes. And then the American say, and not there he should come again because on him the history behind the formation of IPAC and what IPAC has done for this country of ours. And then Wabeye deputy easier. What do you want to know?
Elvis Efriye Ankra, who was in the meeting, says, Kwame, you see, there's only one truth. John Boydu has just confirmed all we've been saying all along. How can we have a 3.5-hour meeting and something that was mentioned in passing in about 20 seconds or less constitutes a decision of that meeting when in the preamble to the statement, they state that these decisions were arrived at after quote-unquote extensive deliberations, and that less than 20-second comment was neither an announcement or information to the meeting, but rather in response to a tangential question. Anyway, end of story. Tell Abby, Yeri, let me go question.
The American say, I have a problem with the reaction. It was unfortunate, and I don't want to say someone apologizing to the IPAC, but I saw Konoko revising the notes. If it means seeking information, and I say, Bisa one more preside over elections. No one what IPAC has done to elections in this country, and therefore the reason why and then everybody is looking up to Ghana when it comes to elections. You see boss cry, you see young penna say Pamno cry, ECOWAS, it's my friend man Juma, so mambe elections. So
PC boss way.
Charlotte say, of course.
Why the
Coca ni no we Yamano Juma cry Manonia, and then which has to do with elections. So it tells you how people revere and I say you share electoral process. Ni elections say Ghana Hanumono. Anything we should not do anything about undermine that one. And that's the reason why I think say Papa no say or can say on hear the concerns of the when you say on hear the concerns of or another on hear more approval
when it one-sided argument when it is one-sided argument.
So anything Kwame,
yes.
The fact is that you don't have money for limited registration. You don't have money for limited registration. You want to centralize it, the limited registration for the first time. Because even himself, replacement and transfer, and you don't have enough money. And that's what you are saying, say, uniska. But you cannot tell me, say, and you're important. Because if you disenfranchise one person, you are doing a lot of injustice. Because say, the district assembly elections, a very, very, very important and integral part. And I can say, what do you call it? A multi-party democracy, multi-party, democracy practice here. And it, say, BB, Nebema, and no, and who atochima, then a problem. And it say, now, nisika. Concentrating on solving that problem, finding money to make sure say those at the various electoral areas, and your access to register before they come to the larger, the one that nobody knows whether even Jesus Christ will come 2020 now elections. Let's think about what we have now to do. No, here be a referendum. Here be what do you call it? This is assembly election. Now, because what we are doing will not help us.